Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can freeze frame on CapCut PC. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your CapCut app and then select the video that you want to edit. And then after that, what we're going to do is just to tap or click on the video. Now first, we want to play the video right here. And that's it. And now, for example, we want to freeze a part of the video. So what we're going to do is to add a keyframe first, and then add another keyframe. And then after adding two keyframes, what we're going to do is just to tap on this icon right here. This is the freeze icon. So just tap on that to freeze a clip on the video. So let's see how it works. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.